Recording in progress.
Daily reminder, don't be a Richard today. Even though we heard the song like 3 times this morning.
You had to remind him, right, Bruno? That's just great. Morning, Coach.
Good morning, Coach.
Check.
Morning, boss.
There we go. You should have audio now on YouTube and all the things. Thank you for letting me know over there. Should be good now. Check. All right, thank you. Yeah, whenever I don't have audio or something, you guys just barge in, let me know, because a lot of times I can't read the comments. Thank you, Miranda. Yay, there we go. We got audio.
I was about to say it wasn't, but nah, it's there now.
Yep. So for
Morning,
whatever
boss.
reason, every time I start my apps, it just wants to choose a random one, even though I've killed all the other devices. So it should not be defaulting to anything else. But hey, Windows. All right. If this is your first time being here, thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you for spending time with us. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market now for 33 years. This is American Dream Trading. We have been here for 5 years. We've been live every single day for the last 2 years, 8.5 months now. Nice. I appreciate you all being here. Anytime, if you want to join us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up with one of our memberships. We've got all the sales posted right now. If not, we will. Across all of our channels, we will post all of the sales that we have going on. You guys can start with us with a regular premium membership starting at $135. With that, you guys will get the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and the videos on demand. You guys will get training and trading with us. Excuse me. Every day from around 8:45 until market close. I have no idea why my voice is shot today. Hold on. My voice is like completely going out. Can you guys hear it? What is going on? This will be a fun day. I'm losing my voice and it's freaking 9:05. Yes. When you guys are ready to step it up, check out our VIP membership, which is where I would suggest everybody start. VIP membership, you're going to get that early pre-market access with us starting at 4 o'clock every morning, 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's 12 hours a day of trading and training. You guys will get the VIP lounge, the workshop classes, all the VIP training videos, and our Trading View indicators. Now, the Trading View indicators, we have designed and developed this based on my 2-minute EWO strategy. We talk about that a lot. You will hear that in the room. But this is an overlay that goes on TradingView. It just requires you to have like a $15 TradingView membership, and then you can use our indicators. If you have the VIP, you can upgrade to Gold. With the Gold, you'll get all the mastermind classes and the previous ones that were recorded for free. 1 hour of tech support, weekend training. We've been doing that every Saturday at 11 o'clock. This Saturday, we will not be doing training at all. Easter weekend, no training, okay? You guys will get access to the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, the news service. Make sure you guys check the news service, by the way. Read your newsletters that come out. You get the breakout rooms. We do that every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 12 to 1. Everything is recorded for you if you're a Gold member. So if you have to work, you have to miss any time, everything is recorded. And you also get live access to the live Apple chat, where David over there, who's been training and trading with that 2-minute EWO strategy now for over 2.5 years, has made over $500,000 and has not had a red day in over 6 months using this strategy. You'll get to see exactly how he does it, what it looks like, how, when, why. He comes with receipts every single day inside of that chat channel. Does a great job, by the way. You guys can get the Gold Complete, which is the VIP and the Gold combined together. Right now, you can get that on sale. Both of those for $1,500 for the first 6 months. Right now, we've got a sale going on with the Diamond Lifetime Memberships. This is an exclusive one-time only. I think we have maybe 80 of those left. I'll have to check. I started with 100 here just last week, but we sold a ton. Right now, the Diamond is 50% off, and this is the last time we will offer these. This is unlimited lifetime memberships to every service we have available today and any service in the future. You can do these on 2 easy payments, by the way. All the diamonds, all the lifetimes, the future lifetime, all of them are available right now with easy payments and huge percentages off. So make sure you guys check those out. Otherwise, if you guys want to just start learning for free, go to americandreamtrading.com, click on pricing or scroll down and make sure you click on join the Discord for free. Once you come over to our Discord, you do have to verify your account within 24 hours or the system will kick you off. Thank you for those gifts over there. I see you guys. I appreciate it. Do me a favor if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure you're double tapping those screens, sharing those links out. It does help the algorithm. Excuse me. Man, I hope I don't lose my voice today. If I do, moderators, you have to take over. It's fading like really fast. I don't know why. Probably all the conversations this morning. Real quick, it's 9:10. The market's not open. Has anybody made any money yet today? Open the mics. Let the world know.
$20, baby.
Thank you. One person made money today. Anybody else? All right, that's a first.
I made money on Mara.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, we had a runner this morning, Mura, whatever it is, Mura. Good job. We caught that. It's been kind of slow this morning. Typically, we'll see, bigger runners and things that are happening, but that didn't really happen. Right now, SPY is flat. We'll see what it wants to do. Just waiting on that. Today, I'm set up to trade futures in the room. So if you guys hear me call out ES, I will also call out SPY with it. So you will hear me say ES or SPY or ES. It's basically the same thing. ES is just following along with SPX, which in turn, SPY, of course, will be doing pretty much the same thing. So if I'm off by a little bit on the numbers, you'll know why. I will be trading futures live today with a live cash account. You guys will get to watch me do that. I like to bounce around. I've been doing stocks and options. Man, my voice is going out, gang. Like it's going out really fast. Hold on. I think I'm on borrowed time today with my voice. I will do the best that I can. Remind me not to yell or do anything crazy today so I don't blow it out. That'd be great. Oh, okay. Something that we're going to start doing very soon, by the way, is I'm going to start having other people up here with me during the live. More like a TV program where you guys can see us trade. You can watch us. We can share different screens out. Excuse me. Dang it. I just thought that would be something cool instead of you guys just staring at the old man all the time. Getting a nice little pop right here on SPY and ES futures. Starting to make a little bit of a move. See if it's got a little more to give. A little dab will do ya. Again, you guys will be seeing me trading futures today, so don't freak out. If it looks different, you'll know why. Give this some room and let this thing go. SPY right here, SPY and ES futures, by the way, dancing on resistance, going from red to green, trying to fight through this red to green area. That's what we're working with right here. You can see everything started to pop a little bit. Apple is down 0.76%. The Qs right here are doing the exact same thing. Just kind of flat. Waiting to see if it's going to stay, if it can hold or not. Remember, when you guys call out anything today, make sure it is clear and concise. Get in the microphone and get out, in and out. That would be great. No, if SPY goes up, SPX goes with it. SPY is just a small derivative ETF of SPX, Ken. So if you hear SPY go up, SPX is the same. It's just SPX is 10 times its size. You're welcome. So again, if you hear me say ES or SPY, right, that's what I'm referring to. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in joining our futures membership, nobody in this room should be trading futures unless you have a futures membership. Then you will head over to American Dream Trading and get signed up today. That'd be great. Nice, nice. Yep. If you guys are a part of the futures membership, by the way, you guys also have the futures live chat. Remember, futures trades 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So if you guys are interested in futures, you can get that lifetime membership right now with 2 easy payments. Check it out. It's a hell of a deal. It's a hell of a sale. So again, right here, SPY and ES futures are still fighting to break from a red to green. Still going through that struggle bus. We got about 15 minutes to the bell. So real quick, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us and American Dream Trading. None of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Make sure you guys follow all of our rules, which are don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you guys have stop losses on everything from shares, options, futures, and crypto. Make sure you guys are practicing small base hits, that small position sizes that will allow the runners to run and stop out those losers. If you're new to trading, do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. And also make sure while you are in training, you are simulate trading only. Do not use real money while you are figuring this all out. Make sure you guys journal. I always have a journal next to me. You journal every single day. If you're new to trading, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. And if you're an advanced trader, make sure you're extra careful around 8 minutes. 3 minutes in the beginning and 8 minutes at the tail end of the day. Remember to use the strategy that you are using for your specific trade of the day. If you guys are scalping, make sure you're following the rules of scalping. If you guys are using the 2-minute EWO, do not combine the two. Now, if you're using the advanced 2-minute EWO, we do have some scalping inside of using the 2-minute EWO. But I don't want you guys to start mixing things up. Stick to your strategy, right? So you can become good at it. Speaking of strategies, if you guys are in a 2-minute EWO today, make sure you practice your shedding technique. Only on a pullback, you should then shed 50%, next pullback 20, next pullback 20. That allows you 10% to run. Leave it alone. Stop dinking around. Stop having too tight of stops. Stop getting in and out 100 times on the same damn trade. Just manage your risk at the time of entry by making sure you have a stop loss and a smaller position size. Position size is going to be everything. I cannot stress that enough. So many of you think going large, you're going to make more money. That's not how this works. Going large, all that's going to happen is you're going to lose more money. If you're not a successful trader with a small amount, you will not be a successful trader with a large amount. Hope that makes sense. Everybody be cool. Nobody's going to go rogue on me today, right? Everybody's going to watch what you're doing all day long today, yes? Okay, great. We've got 300 people in the room. If you guys are a paid premium member, any of our memberships, you guys have access to Zoom, and you can get in here right now with us. Everybody open up your mics. Let them know that you are here and say good morning. Go ahead, open your mics. Let the world know.
Good morning.
Good
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Best place to be.
That.
Good morning from Arkansas.
Good morning from Rhode Island.
Morning.
There you go. Just so you guys know, right? So if you guys buy a membership with us, any of those memberships from premium all the way through to diamond, you guys can be in the room with us. Typically, we'll have about 450. We've had upward to close to 700 people in the room, but you guys will have live access to us. You can ask questions all day long, literally all day long with us, okay? All right, looks like SPY could not break through as of yet anyways. I did move my stop up here. You guys could see off that 9 just so it didn't super knife drop before the bell opens and I take a K hit or whatever off that. So I took a $200 or $300 loss right there. Just trying to get my trading mechanics down. I moved some money over into futures into this live account. In fact, I don't even know what I have. Yeah, 300. Okay, 40K in here. Okay. Just so I know how many contracts of what I can buy inside of here. But again, this will be a live account that I'll be trading from today. You guys will see how I'm manipulating my stops and doing all the things. Again, none of you are allowed at all to trade futures unless you are in our futures membership. So don't even try it. Don't do it. Don't discuss futures in any other rooms. We have a full futures channel. If you want to talk about futures, do it in the futures area. I am just promoting our futures, so you will see me trade it live. Okay, great. Don't forget, we also have the crypto membership. You guys, if you're interested in crypto, I see that everybody was making money last night over in the crypto area. Plus, I think they did a Zoom last night, so you guys got to access some crypto information and live trading last night. So good job over there, the crypto team. We are live, by the way, 3 times a day. I am here every day from 9 to 11, trading stocks and options and showing you guys how it's done with full Q&A. Then from 2 to 4 o'clock, Mark does futures. So he will trade, and now he paper trades over there. He does not trade a live account during his session. But he will answer questions. You'll get to see him making some of those paper trades, right? So you guys can watch how it's done. And then we're live again at 5 o'clock to around 6:30 or 7. And that is our aftermarket show where we have a giant panel. Everybody comes on, talks about the day, the trades of the day, different things and what they did, what they saw. So again, 3 times a day. Make sure to go to our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading, right now. And click that subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we go live. Thank you. Thank you. If we get to 300 concurrent viewers today over on TikTok, I will do a giveaway. Let's see if we can get to 50,000 likes today. So double tap those screens. There goes that bounce I was looking for earlier. We've got about 8 minutes to the bell. 8 minutes to the bell. Everybody be cool. Now, SPY is flat. Typically, I tell you guys, hey, if it runs up in the pre-market, look for a pullback. Or if it's been tanking all pre-market, usually it'll try to find support right away and it'll bounce to the upside. This is completely sideways. We are at close of business day yesterday right now. We don't know what the market is going to do at all. So trade the trades, not your bias. First thing, by the way, that everybody should do when you walk in the room is mark out pre-market high. I don't know why my little system is not picking up my macros. Pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, and previous day low. Those are the first things you should mark. Damn moderators, I am fighting my voice right now. Not liking it. Not liking it. Damn it. It's going. It's fading. My 101's going to kill me if I have to reschedule this. Don't you do it, Nathaniel. Don't try to kill me. I already know on my voice, I'm losing my voice. Nathaniel, are you in the room? Because I don't want you all freaking out going crazy on the old man. Where are you?
Yes, sir. I'm on the road.
I'm losing my voice. I'm letting you know there's no way I'll be able to go from now until then and then run with you for an hour. I'm just letting you know, partner.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
send. Yep. I apologize. Don't beat me up. Don't beat the old man up. I'll send
Okay.
a reschedule if I'm going to do it now so I don't forget. If the date and time doesn't work, you can change it. Okay.
Okay. All right. We'll do.
All right. It's going. It's going. I can't fix it.
Hopefully
Moderators.
warn you not to have that Easter candy early.
It's just crazy. I don't understand. It just came out of, it's just coming out of nowhere. I can't, and I keep coughing and trying to drink and get around it. And I don't know. I have no idea. So moderators, if I have to dip early, you'll know why, but I can feel the pressure. All right. Enough of me. Okay. We've already posted the hot stock picks. We've already done the pre-market setup. Those are our key critical areas off of certain stocks that we look at every single day. We've already made money here in the pre-market if you're a VIP member. We're ready to rock and roll. Looks like Bucko said they made some money. What did you short? Solano? Is that what I saw? Nice job. Yep. Nice job. Good job. Again, if you are now watching me, I'm going to be trading futures, so don't freak out. It's going to look a little bit different. I'm going to trade it directly off Webull, though, just so you guys can see how I trade it. Again, if you guys are interested in that futures membership, sign up. I don't want anybody who is trading futures not in the futures membership. I need you guys to be constantly learning. Okay, we're getting a pull here at the open. We'll see if this is going to dump right here. This is on a major critical level right to start. Trade the trades today. Don't trade your bias. Watch for news catalysts and news events. My shortcut is not working. I don't know why. Give me just 1 second, gang. It's going to drive me nuts if I can't quick chart hold. No, it's set right. I don't know why it's not working. Hotkeys, charting, Control D. Okay. Oh, that wasn't right. I did a vertical line. Give me a sec. Hey, you guys want to learn how to draw an extended line? Oh, horizontal. Control H. Nope. Not working. That's interesting. Why is that not working? All right, let's try something else. Sorry, gang. I'm trying to get this chart set up because this will drive me bonkers if I can't quick command this. Let's try this. Okay. By the way, I'm setting up. So this is a macro key in case you guys have ever wanted to see how to do this. So now what I'm doing is I'm literally creating a new macro. Recording my keystrokes. Then I'm assigning that to a button on my mouse. And now, there we go. All right. Now we're cooking with gas. Did you guys see how I did that? That's how you assign a hotkey, by the way, so you can set it up for your mouse. I'm using a Logitech G502X, and it's got a button right here. And I use that for my horizontal line on my chart to make it faster. In case you guys are wondering how I can chart like this, that's how you do it. All right, we're starting to get a nice little pop here from SPY. I don't know if this is going to stay or not. Nice move to the upside here. See if this will continue to run. We've got about a minute and a half Minute and a half to open. One minute, 15 seconds. Everybody ready to rock and roll today or what?
Yep.
I'm ready to do this. Apple getting a nice boost here in the pre-market just before the bell, starting to get a nice little run. Make sure you call out the first 2-minute indicator if you see it. I will be live trading with a real cash account for futures today, so keep an eye on that. And we'll see. So basically what I did here is I set up one at the open. Actually, I'm going to have a tighter stop because it's either going to pull back really hard or it's going to run and make a quick 1,000 or 2,000 right out of the gate. 25 seconds. If it starts to pop to the upside, I'm going to add. You guys will watch. Just remember, be cool. Don't do anything silly today. Don't trade in the first couple of minutes if you don't know what you're doing. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. See if we get a continuation here. Apple, though, to the upside. I'm going to stop up a bit. Apple to the upside, SPY to the upside, SPY making a nice move here to the upside, moving my stop. Like I said, there's $700. Nice way to start the day.
NVIDIA to the upside too.
Thank you. The whole market to the upside here, except for Tesla. Tesla crashing out.
As well as Amazon and Google.
Thank you.
So it's kind of divided.
It is. Apple to the upside. 2-minute EWO is already in effect to Apple. Just be cautious, obviously. Apple, you guys got this critical 203.50 level. 203.50 is going to be a major level on Apple. SPY still trying to decide.
To the upside, big green candle.
Thank you. Getting a nice move here on the whole market to the upside.
Tesla is red.
Yep.
EWO.
Yep. Tesla, we called that out, is to the downside. Thank you. SPY still sitting here waiting. SPY like that above this key critical area right here, which was previous. The 540.50-ish. See if we can get a nice move off of that. There we go. Starting to make a move to the upside. That's SPY. Nice, taking some off the table. Still have 2 runners left. Putting in my stop. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make $2,000 in the first 2 minutes of the day. You like that? Huh?
Apple pull back to the 200.
Thank you. SPY up here on this upper level. Still making a nice move. Got my stop in place, letting it work. There it goes. Moving my stop up just a bit, because if it's going to pull, it's going to pull really hard right here in this range. So I might as well collect. This is pre-market high. That's why I'm set up for it to pull back. There it goes. It's getting heavy. Stay up. And it sold off. There you go. So after all is said and done, fees, all the thing, that's $1,300. Remember, I was 300 in the hole, so basically $1,600 right there in the first 2 minutes of the trading day. Glorious. I knew this was going to pull back right here. Why? Because this was the pre-market high, right? So of course it was going to pull back there, coach. You bet your bottom dollar. Looking nice. Starting to get a nice pullback here on SPY. Nice breather. Tesla found support at 247.50 and bounced. Tesla bounced. SPY just bounced a bit right here.
I bounce it too.
Yep. Moving my stop. Moving my stop. Boom, I'll take it. Now up $1,700 for this morning. 5 contracts ES. Who else would like to make $1,500 in 4 minutes? 1,700. Anybody? Anybody in the room? Bueller?
No, I don't want to pay the taxes on that.
Bueller.
Please.
Oh. Yeah, that's stupid. I'm not doing that.
Right?
This training is too expensive. They make $1,700 in seconds. It's terrible. Thank you. Apple pulling. SPY's pulling. Q's pulling. I'm going to look to short this here in a minute.
There is a little pull on the big 7, but it's just a pull.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Google is still going down.
Let's see if it respects this 9 or not. The whole market heavy here. I'm going to give this a little bit of room to breathe.
539.30 support on SPY.
Yep, I see it.
Coach Mark is challenging you to a scalp off in TikTok.
All right.
He did 10
Oh,
on that one.
oh, nice.
Tesla is above the 200 now, going up.
Oh,
First
nice.
2-minute green on TSLL, they're up 3%.
Thank you.
First
Mark's doing
green
10. Is
on
that what you said
Tesla.
on ES?
First green on Tesla.
Did you say Mark's doing 10 on ES?
Yeah, that's his bailiwick lately.
Nice.
I know it, right?
Yeah,
Feeling it.
I can dance with the devil in the pale moonlight. I'm with you, Mark.
I knew he could not trade.
I call you on that 10. Yeah, this is still heavy here. Just got to be patient. So it took my money right here, but I went in heavy-handed. It's starting to form inside of this channel. Man, this is starting to show upside potential. It is way up here in the clouds. I'm going to take a little stab at it right here. Still sitting here. See if we get a nice little push on that. There it goes. That's better. Taking some off. Taking a little more. Taking a little more. One left. One runner left, only because it's on the ceiling. If it breaks the ceiling, I'll add. That's why I have such a tight stop, because if it can't hold, it's going to pull hard here. But the 9 start, oh, this is nice. This is setting up nice. See if it's got a little more. Beautiful.
I've noticed it likes complete numbers, Coach, like 60, 75, and the 5,500 for the top.
Yep, yep. Ooh, this is too tight of a stop. Moving it. Okay. Whew. All right, looking good. Still to the upside. I quick grabbed some in there. I'm up 2,000. Move my stop up. Looking real nice. And free
All big
trade.
7 going to the upside.
Free trade the rest of the day.
I'm at ES, Coach. It broke the 54.60, as you can see, and went to the 54.75.
Yeah. As soon as I saw it broke that level that I wanted, I added in. You guys saw me add in, quick scalp the break of the upside, shed a couple off, let my runner run. This is a free trade the rest of the day. No matter what, I make money.
542 next level.
Off this trade, no matter what. Tesla, nice big move to the upside there. Beautiful. SPY and ES futures still to the upside. Giving this room to work. I don't really care if I make any money off of this at this point. I'm just going to let it run. It's a beautiful trade. 2-minute EWO is in full effect. Now, I was scalping. I wasn't trading a 2-minute EWO, but I'm just showing you how perfect of a setup this is, right? Look at this. It's just glorious. And that was 10 contracts, by the way. Mark. I like this guy.
Something else, isn't he?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm going to have to take a lot of drinks today. My voice is going out. Who's still in this trade with me to the upside long here on SPY and or ES futures?
I am.
Thank you. Just letting it go. This is where Ange gets out her fidget spinner and just lets it run. Ange, by the way, doing such a great job. I'm so proud of her over there on the 2-minute EWO that she fought me so hard against. She's doing great. There it is. I'm up $1,982 this morning. It's now 9:41. That is 11 minutes to make $2,000. Who else would like to make $2,000 in 11 minutes? Anybody? Bueller?
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, I would.
Thank you.
Pick me.
I would, Coach.
Thank you.
The numbers keep climbing in TikTok from Mark. He's in there just posting every few seconds. It's great.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yes, I love it. Love it.
Man.
ES
Such a
still
pleasure
to
to
the
hang around,
upside.
man.
I mean, this is still to the upside, right? Yeah, this is a nice setup. About 20 contracts that time. Shedding. Last one. Stops in place. Now I'm up $4,000. It took me 13 minutes. And I'm out. Did you guys see that trade?
Hell yeah.
Your mechanics are mind blowing, Coach.
It's amazing. I love doing it. SPY's still to the upside. Apple's still to the upside. Q's still to the upside. But yeah, you see how fast I can get in and out and do the things?
Well, just the way that you're working the trade widget in there, It's impressive.
Thank you.
Yes. So, Coach, I noticed you
Yep.
you place the order and then you put in a stop after you place the order, correct?
That's what I do. Yes, I don't recommend that for any of you though. Yep.
Okay. I'm
Yeah,
trying
because
to
think
learn
about
more.
it. If I buy 20 contracts without a stop and it pulls back, I mean, it could do $12 to $15,000 of damage in one candle, right? So,
Go glance at MURA hot stock. It just had a massive gamma.
oh, good. Okay, thank you. Let's check it out. Hot stock pick. MURA. Oh, yeah, that was a beautiful candle. 89 million volume, 17 million free flow. Average volume is only 200K. So looking really good. As long as MURA can stay above this 270 level, this is where you want it. If I was looking to buy this back up, I would scoop it up off this 21. Like right now, it's around 245 around the 21. Why not the 9? It's not respecting the 9. It's respecting the 21 off the 1 minute. So if I was
Correct.
waiting for this to enter, I would wait for that pullback.
Coach, I don't know if it's going to do more, but you saw ES hit the 75. It bounced off the 65. That $10 range.
Yep, that's nice. It just just pulled back to the 9 here. Bounced. Good job. Mark over there getting it done. Mark's up $7,500 today. Great job, Mark.
Ooh, Mark.
Good job, Mark.
Just killing it. He's over there posting on TikTok. Good job, Mark. Mark, by the way, is up over, what is he at? I think he's at close to $600,000 so far this year off of a $700 account. $700 live real account, not prop firm BS, not fake money. That's some serious trading. Am I right?
Yeah, Andy pulls money out every week.
That's right.
Yep. And the last week, I think it was 300,000.
Yep. It's glorious. It's how you do it. I tell you guys every time too, right? You guys have a good day. Take that money out. Go pay down some debt. Pay off some bills. Diversify. SPY getting a little bit of a pullback here. Same with Apple pulling back. And Tesla. All right.
All of them have a little bit of a pullback.
Yeah, but this keeps bouncing
It's
right
a
here.
little.
Yep.
$542 on SPY. $542.
Free trade. Tighter stop. Only because of this traffic. I'll take it. 4,075. That wasn't worth the trade. But so what I need to do now, because I've already made the nut for the day, I don't have to make all this money. Oh. Remember, listen, everybody, right? Those of you who think you have to make like gazillion dollars a day, if you can make 4,000 a day, which I did in the first 14 minutes, 4,000 a day is $1 million a year. It's actually like $1.2 million a year as a day trader. $4,000 a day is a 7-figure income as a day trader. Okay? So don't think you need to be making millions of dollars every day. Thank you. Need you to understand that. SPY still climbing to the upside. Tesla, beautiful setup over there on Tesla. 2-minute EWO. Let me pull up the big screen for Tesla. Perfect. This is a nice setup. Tesla starting to come up to key critical area. 255 is the first one. 255. 256. About every dollar over there on Tesla.
TSLL 8.6 in critical spot.
Thank you. Oh, this is still looking good on SPY. Wow.
I think it's going to rocket if ES goes above the 75. Oh, ES broke the 75, coach.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Ugh. See if it's got more. I went heavy right here. I thought the same thing, looking for that peak.
It's interesting. It hit the 75, fell 15, came back up 10, paused, and then started going up again.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Palantir, nothing but up.
Thank you. PLTR to the upside. Thank you. SPY still climbing, still respecting this 9. Just a little bit of a breathe back here.
Coach, SKYE halted to the upside.
Which one?
SKYE.
All right, thank you. Sorry, it was really hard to hear your partner.
Sorry.
SPY with a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to let this one breathe a little bit. See if we can hit this 9 and bounce. There's the 9. Added more. Beautiful bounce off that 9. Did you guys see that?
Yep. I had the 9 cross above the 21 on TSLL.
Yeah, Tesla's still climbing over there beautifully. SPY still respecting the 9. There it goes.
9 minutes.
Free trade. I'm up 7,000 now in the first 21 minutes of the day. Who'd like to make $7,000 in 21 minutes?
Me.
Thank you.
That's a
That
scam,
sounds
coach.
okay.
It's a
That
scam.
sounds
Yeah, you
okay.
would.
Yeah, you would. Damn it. If I could keep my voice today, that would be great. Ugh. Sold off. So I'm up $7,134.16. Time is now 9:52. It's 32 minutes. This, by the way, though, is how you can accumulate massive amounts of wealth in day trading, right? Now, I also want you guys to notice that I started this account with like 41K. So it wasn't like I had $1 million in here, right? Okay, good.
Coach, it looks like Baba's slow to the party and doing sort of a little bit of a double bottom. But last time it did this, if the market stayed up, it started to go back up.
Copy that. Apple 2-minute EWO gang, you guys are still to the upside. Remember, you guys got that 203.50 critical level over there still, right? Like to see you guys break through that. No, it's not a prop account. This is a real live account. This is a live futures account. I let you guys know when I'm trading prop or not. This is a live account. Mark says, and 16 cents. That's awesome. Good job over there, Mark. Look at this thing is still respecting the 9. I could still be trading off of this. SPY is just a stairway to heaven here today, right? Apple moving up nicely.
Contracts at IWM, I was up over 500, sold 10.
Oh, good job. Damn, girl,
Good job.
you are putting it together, aren't you?
Uh-huh. Huh? They don't see me coming, coach.
Yeah, I love it. Qs are still climbing nicely to the upside. Apple 2-minute EWO to the upside. Tesla's still to the upside. SPY and ES futures are still respecting the 9 to the upside on the 1 minute. If you guys are in a 2-minute EWO on SPY and or ES futures, you're up $1 million. Congratulations. Merry Christmas, all the things.
5 minutes. 5 minutes of cheap change.
Thank you. Oh, here's a little bit of a consolidation area. Hasn't done this in a little bit. It's a little bit of a pattern change. See it consolidating right here? Everybody in the room?
Be careful, there's a pullback in the big 7 right now.
Is everybody listening to the sound of my voice?
Yes, sir.
It's just a consolidation area, nothing to be concerned about. It hasn't pulled back, but I'm watching patterns. This is what I do, right? So I can see it sideways, pull back, sideways, needs to break.
And 542 is support on SPY. Very important level.
Thank you. I love that level.
Oh.
Gaston. Oh, that's great.
I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself.
No, I love it. I love hearing Nana. Nana, we love your accent. It's beautiful.
I love Nana.
So do I. It's awesome.
Thank you for your call outs, Nana.
You're welcome. I mean, I've been there,
There it
almost
goes.
3 years.
I knew it.
Coach. Do you believe that?
What's that?
I've been here since almost the beginning, so yeah.
Yes. Yep.
She's the first one I remember, and I joined in.
Yeah, she's
November
an OG. You
20
say, Nana, you saying you love me long time?
I've been here since October 2022.
Wow. Yeah, and I started August 1st. Did you guys see how I saw this pattern change though, right? You see how it wasn't just continuously climbing at this point? This was a pattern change. Right? And again, not a pullback, but a consolidation level. These are the things, though, that your mind should be looking at and observing. We're looking for patterns. We're looking for changes while we're also looking at these support and resistance levels. You can clearly see that this is trying to be support right there. And you can clearly see that this is resistance. So above here, we're a go. Below here is a short. But do you guys see how I recognized that right away when I saw it up here start to do a different change? And there goes your short. But now I've got to be careful and watch the bounce off the 21. So I won't short this until right there. This is my long, and this is my short. Can everybody see it?
2 minutes.
Check the news, make sure something massive didn't come out. Oh yeah, look at this. Be careful, this is still to the upside. even though this is pulling a little bit here, this is where people get confused and try to short this early. This is not a short. Not yet. You need to have it break through this area to short. And if it does, I'm going to. This is still a long call. And now it's getting a bounce off the 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in this bounce to the upside
1 minute.
with a tight stop.
The 9 is pointing above the 21 on TSLL.
Yeah, it's all so tight right here. This needs to be a little looser stop. Oh, I'll take the L. If this breaks below this area here, I'm going to hammer this thing. 30 seconds. Everybody be cool. Looking to short it here if it can break below this level. We're right there. It's dancing on it. It's dancing on it. I'm not touching that yet.
Chip change.
There it is. Come on. Being patient. Not shorting that yet. This will be support. You see it? We do not buy puts right there.
Yeah, Coach, ES did that 15 thing again from the 82 to the 67 and bounced.
Yep. You guys see how this is bouncing off this level? This is why I said don't play with that right there, right? Be patient. Wait for the A+ setup. Tesla making a nice strong move again to the upside. SPY looking good to the upside at this point. I'm going to get in a little
TSLL jump.
I'm going to get in a little dabble do you here. See if this can hold. Not holding. It's got to make a move here.
Tesla is the only one going to the upside right now, so be careful.
Yeah, but your overall trend is upside, and this was a pullback to support. But we'll see. Never broke through this major support level yet.
Yeah.
So looking for a spike in volume here. Still dancing with the same spot. Apple pulling. Apple's now on VWAP on the 2-minute. Spice keeps fighting this exact spot.
Bob testing VWAP for the second time in 8 minutes to the upside.
Thank you. There we go. There we go. Boom. Out. Now up $7,500. Thought I made more than that on that trade, but whatever. It was a good trade. I
I
have
got in that right when it tanked.
Yep,
Phew.
yep.
Hold
There-
my breath for a long time.
Yeah. Well, like I said, as long as it holds that support level, right, which I had marked on my screen, the overall is to the upside. This was just a healthy little pullback. It was nothing to freak out about. But this is why I said most people will try to short it there, and that's not where you short it, right? You got to be patient.
Yeah, but I mean, as soon as I got in, that huge red candle hit. I was trying to get in, let it breathe back, and then it turned and went the other way. But you're the only reason I stayed in that trade as long as I did, and I'm in the green.
Oh, nice job.
Appreciate it.
Yep,
You kept me
absolutely.
in that trade.
Yeah, good job.
I was sweating it.
Yeah, I was willing to. Where I had my stop loss, it could have been up to a $4,000 risk for me. So my risk to reward was not good. That's why I thought I made more on the top. That was not a good risk to reward ratio for me at all. So to going in too heavy in this little chop area is stupid. Wait for a better break. I should have waited till either the pull here downside or the break above here upside. That is when you go heavy, not in the middle, right? Now I knew where it was going to go. At least I anticipated where it was going to go, which was up, but it wasn't a perfect setup, right? That was just forcing a trade to make $500. Not worth it at all. At
You're definitely
all.
right.
Yeah, it should at least be a 1-for-1. 1,000 risk, 1,000 loss. 500 risk, 500. Now, I like a 2 or a 3-to-1, right? If I have 1,000 risk, I'd like to make 3, right? Or 2. But even a 1-for-1 when I'm scalping, I'll take a 1-for-1 all day when I'm scalping, by the way. I got no problem with that because a 1-for-1 will typically turn into a 3, 4, or 5-to-1, right?
Tesla is trying for a new high.
Thank you. Yeah, Tesla's still cranking. Now, if you look at this, SPY respected this 21, and it stayed above our support level. Here,
So at the very least, you think it's going to come back and try to retest high?
it's trying now. We'll see.
Starting to cup a little bit.
Yep. So I'm going to put it on here just so you guys can see, right? Support. That's what it looks like. Everybody see that? Look at that. Look at Coach getting out the Madden chalkboard. So nice. By the way, who's scooping up the Diamond Lifetime membership today? You guys are running out of time with those. You need to
Coach,
get
you're
over
definitely
there.
The Madden of trading, dude.
What's that?
You are definitely the Madden of trading.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. You guys need to get over there. Scoop up those lifetimes. This is your last chance. Lifetime and Diamond memberships for sale. Get over there. John Beasy says it might drop, Coach. You're right. It might. Listen, you never know. Somebody could, right now, somebody could get on the news and say recession and tank this whole market right now. We don't know, right? We'll be in, oh, this is great. Look at the technical. It's beautiful. It's lined up. It's doing the things. It's respecting stuff. It's above these key levels. One person will get on the news and go, the whole market's going to crash. Game over. Right? So that's why we put those stops in place. Yesterday, the market was booming. The market was booming, and a bunch of banker CEOs said that they're expecting a recession within the next 6 months. And guess what the whole market did? And why do you think they would say something like that? How many shorts?
Buy it cheaper.
Yeah, how many shorts do you think they had? Right? How many put options do you think them banks and hedge fund managers had? So when the market was skyrocketing, how many people were freaking out? So all you got to do is get on the news and go, recession, the world's burning, let the market come down, get out of those trades you were in, and then let the market do its thing. It's just the way it is, gang. I've been doing this for 33 years. I've seen every play in their book. I've seen leaked information from an unknown source tank markets so that they could get out of stuff. I've seen it all. And some of you have seen the stuff I'm talking about. So that's how they manipulate the market. Yeah, absolutely, Michael. That's exactly how they do it. They use the media to manipulate the market. That's how they get through to get the stuff to do the things, right? Not a conspiracy theorist, but I'm telling you from being around these billionaires, this is what happens.
Nobody gets slapped for it.
Yup.
Hey, Coach, MURA is still looking pretty good. What do you
Oh, I
think?
like it. Thank you. Hot stock pick, MUR8. Now remember, partner. Now this one I've got. Oh, now remember, I said you can scoop that up around that 241-ish. See it?
Correct. Yep. Got in, got out.
Yep.
Let it go back down, got back in.
Oh, look at right here. Oh my gosh. All right. SPY and ES right here. This is a pullback off the double top. I missed it. Look at this pullback off the double top, gang. See this? Oh, that was a nice setup. I'm too late to the party now, though. That's a nice double top pullback. Q's did the same thing. Apple did the same thing on a triple top. SPY respecting the 21 again. That's right. Mark knows what's up. Doesn't matter what the market does. Up, down, sideways, we don't care. If you are trained properly, you can make money in any type of market condition. I don't give a crap what anybody else says. Any market condition. I will train you on how to do it. Are you guaranteed to make money? Absolutely not. Can you make money in any market condition? 1,000,000%. Oh, we're retesting. Retesting this. Now, what did I say earlier? I said it's still to the upside. It was just consolidating. It never broke that support level. Therefore, nobody should be buying puts, at least on an A+ setup till down here. Now, guess what? Now, look at my 55 creeping up here. So guess what? I'm not going to buy puts here because right here is the next wall. So now I have to make my new support level here. Do you guys see how that changed in real time? Okay, good. All right, right here, getting right along this. If this can break and hold. But what I'm looking for is a break, come back, retest, take off again. I want to see it come back and bounce.
ES double top, coach, at 82.
Thank you. Right here. I want to see it come back. Come back, please. Come back. No, come back. If not, I'm going to get in a small one. Because typically when it does this, it will pull back for a test. Because where once it was resistance becomes support. If this doesn't come back, I'll have to go small. I want to retest. Come on, a little more. Was that the retest? Was that it?
ES broke the double top.
It looks like it, coach.
Yep.
You want the break
The
and
market
hold
is going up.
942.95.
Yeah, I was looking for
Everything's
this.
evolving slowly today.
Yeah, I was looking. Yeah, I know it. It's like slow build.
Yeah. I think it's
It did
fine.
not do that. It just went for it.
Yep. Yeah, I was looking for it to pull back down to this level and then launch again. But it's just going to go. It says, forget it. I'm out. There it goes.
Yes, there is it's pushing up in the market, coach.
I know it. I'm in it. I just went small, though, because I was looking for a pullback, retest, and go. So sometimes they break through, but I don't like it when they do that. I'll be honest with you. That's usually a trap. Usually everybody will start to load the boat on them calls and go long, and then it'll go right back to where it came, right here. And here it comes. That's your retest. Now I long it.
You're spot on. It's just taking longer today.
That's right. Move. Oh. I tried to move my stop. It would have got stopped out right there, but I did try to stop it. I've still got to stop, but it's at the 9. Yeah, if it can't hold, it's game over there. You see how it came back? Do you guys see what I was talking about on that retest coming back to it?
This is the retest right now.
Oh,
and
this
it's
is
now go back to 542.
This is a short situation. This breaks this 9. I'm hammering this to the downside.
So now the 21's everything.
Yes.
That's definitely a short.
542. That's a short right here.
Yep, I'm taking them. Look at that. Huh? Who's your daddy?
How about bouncing a double bottom?
Boom, took it all. Up $9,000. I'll take it.
So
You
it's
guys?
AMD looking good on a 2-minute EO. Any opinion on that?
If it's looking good on a 2-minute EW, we'll ride it forever.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Just remember, take money on the pullbacks, right? Oh, no.
Yes.
Yeah, just let that go for life.
Yes.
Who was it in my VIP that asked me yesterday about covered calls and wanting to roll it out? And I said, don't do that, because if the market pulls back, right? Who was that? I saved somebody's butt yesterday. They were in NVIDIA for a 111 strike price. Who was that? No? All right. Anyways, put on a whole master class on covered calls. So hopefully that helped you out.
Your 2-minute strategy saving me on TSLL calls, coach. I'm up 30%.
Thank you.
That was me, coach.
Oh, did that save you or what?
Yes, it did.
Nice. Do you see what I mean, though, about there's just no
Yeah.
purpose in doing that?
Absolutely.
Yep. Good job. What is this? I just got a congratulations email that we're the #1 recommended trading community on WAP.
Applause.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you. Literally just got that email. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's a big deal.
Congratulations, coach. Man, you've made a lot of progress with all the work you've done.
Thank you. And the moderators, right? And the moderators.
Absolutely.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate
Shocking,
that.
coach.
Thank
Congrats.
Team Green, go, go, go.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Tesla's a beast today. It's not stopping. Look at Tesla, new high.
I love it. By the way, we've been a top ranked seller for WAP since we've been here. And now,
wow, what's going on? Look at Spy.
I see it. And now they're over 100,000 members, and we're top ranked still. Yeah, look at this.
That is so awesome, coach.
Thank you. Is there news? Because I want to hammer this. Anybody got news? I want to hammer this.
I'm looking into it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
You.
You
Somebody want to kill her
Yeah.
mic?
Sweep. They made a mess.
Somebody kill that mic. I'll take the last little bit. I'm up $9,700 off that move. Had a little bit more in there. I saw 10,000. Anybody got news?
I can't find anything right away.
We don't see any.
Uh-oh.
EU expects U.S. tariffs to remain as talks make little progress.
There it is. Thank you.
I think it says here China order Boeing jet delivery and parts halted.
Thank you. Remember what I said, everybody? I said all it will take
It's,
is one news
dropping
event,
now.
right?
EU expects U.S. tariffs to remain as talks.
The macro notes earlier headline, AO is expecting U.S. tariffs to remain as talks, quote, make little progress. S&P futures seeing activity.
Boom.
We're green to red.
Yep. What did I say? Didn't I say literally? I was just talking about it. I said, you watch, they'll get on the news. I said, and it'll crash the whole thing. Didn't I just say this 10, 15 minutes ago?
Pretty sure we heard it here first.
Oh my gosh.
You said it at 10:07 and 30 seconds.
Oh, I
I
want to.
apologize about my mic earlier. Sorry. I was trying to shut it off and travel at the same time. I get surprised.
You're all right. As this breaks this 200, I'm going to hammer this.
Dude, you straight called that.
Yep.
This is beautiful, Coach. Can't believe I'm in it.
Coach, love your cheeks long time.
Love yours. By the way, I'm up $17,000. Did you guys see me hammer that with 40 contracts? Everybody be cool. Use your stops. Get in, get green, get the hell out if you're scalpers. Oh, look at this, trying to bounce upside. I'm not.
I trigger my stop loss.
Yeah, I'm not.
12% total account.
Not touching this.
DWTX, Dogwood Therapeutics. Shares continue to make new highs now. $4.79. Delta Whiskey Tango X-Ray, DWTX.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Yeah, thank you. Oh, that is cool as heck. We were just published gang, we were just published as the top 20, number one top trading WAPs in 2025. Wow. I'll post
Coach,
that later. Yeah, go ahead.
I ripped that down, flipped it back up 40 each way.
That's awesome.
Big volume coming into Dogwood Therapeutics now, DWTX.
Thank you. Sorry, I got to turn these squawks off.
Yeah, I was anticipating the same thing when all it was going to take for somebody to come in and start yapping, and the market would overreact.
I knew it too, dude. I knew it too. As soon as somebody opens the yapper, right?
Yep. The clown show starts going.
Yep. And then look at this bounce. This is why I get in, get green, and get out. Because look at that bounce.
Yeah, I shed it at the 55 on the 2 minute. I didn't even wait that long.
Yes, good job.
Be
I was
careful.
watching that 200 for me. That was everything.
Yes. This is where I put my stop loss. When it passed under it, I'm like, ooh, nice spot to put my stop loss. I put it there, and then sure enough, perfect move.
Yeah, I hit 40 contracts, and it just went, it was about 10, 12 grand. But by the time I was getting out of, because I was selling 10 at a time for chunks. So by the time I got out, I only collected an extra 7 grand or 8 grand or whatever, but I'll take it. But now we have downside momentum, ladies and gentlemen. So we went from an all upside market to all downside now market off of a news catalyst. Trade the trades.
We are pretty much back where we started if you look at this morning, Coach.
Yep. Oh, yeah, this is a big old round robin trip.
Still in puts.
Yep, I'm in. I'm only in small, but yeah, I'm gonna add if it breaks that 200, I'll add much heavier. But this is gonna be chop zone because this is where it hit the brakes.
Why'd you buy short on VWAP, Coach?
Because now we're downside momentum. Notice I have my stop above the 9, so I'm really tight here. See it? You see how the 9 is closing in on VWAP? But you've got the 200 here. Like I said, if this can break the 200 right here, this is the move to the downside for me. Not financial tax or investment advice. Move my stop. Protected trade. I'll add if it breaks below that 200. It's a free trade now, right?
Yep.
We're also in a third candle of the 2-minute EWO.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, just got stopped out.
I took it on the bounce. I'll re-enter if it goes lower.
Yeah, I'm going to, dude, if this goes under the 200 palm, I'm going to hammer this thing.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Yep.
Me too.
That's also green to red again, boss.
Yep, that's right. So that's a major level of support, right?
Yep, that's why I sold off into it.
Yep.
539.30.
But sure as hell I'm not going back into calls right here.
No, this is not You got all of this stuff is jammed up right here. You got look at this, the 200 below it, just above it's the 9 VWAP and the 21. This is all like pinching together. See it? Nope, but this is now downside momentum. Oh, here we go. Come on, baby.
Oh,
Come on.
Go.
Yep, I want to see this break.
On doggy.
Yeah. Going to be a lot of fake outs right here, though, Palm. Please be careful.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of people that aren't knowing what's going on. They're going to try to buy into that.
They are.
Right on it.
Yeah,
literally sitting on it.
Yeah, it's riding the pine. Oh, Nelly. Not there yet. Five seconds to new candle. Give me a new candle form underneath. Come on, bleed and give me a new candle under. It's on it. It's still on it. I'm not touching this. Not touching that. Nope.
On top of that, Tesla is bouncing at VWAP.
Yep, not touching that yet.
Hold.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Here we go. That was a nice push. See that candle palm? Ah, it's not staying. I'm not touching this yet. You guys will see me enter the trade. I'm not doing it yet. Waiting. 10 seconds on the candle. Yeah.
SpongeBob.
Can you guys feel the energy in the room? Can you feel the energy? Here we go. 3 seconds. 2, 1. New candle. What are you going to do? I'm not touching this trade. Not happening. Please make sure you guys have your stops in at the time of entry. Okay, just trying to protect you guys. I don't want anybody getting your faces ripped off. Okay. Still waiting. Now look at that. Could you imagine if we would have shorted that early? Ooh.
Yeah. That was a good wait, Coach.
Yes.
I can guarantee you have a lot of asses today.
Oh, I'm sure of it. Oh my gosh.
CSLL bounced off the 55, Coach. The 2-minute is leveling off.
Thank
on the
you.
green.
So now you're on the 540 with the 55 and the 9 coming right down and the 21 cross VWAP. Is this a lot of downside pressure?
It's the whole time. Yeah. Like I said, this is all downside momentum, but it has to break this key critical area, which is that 200 MA. The 200 MA is support right now.
Would a good early entry be right now at 540 on SPY?
No.
To go down?
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, I would just be patient here, partner, to be honest with you.
I got $5 of buying power, so I'm not in it.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Yeah, I would just listen. Everybody that's in here, just wait for this A+ setup. You don't need to get into anything here, right? Just give this a minute. Let this work out. Let this rip a bunch of people's faces off before we get in here, right?
Let it simmer.
Yeah, let it just work. Let it marinate for a minute.
I strangled.
Oh, there you go. Here we go. All right, I like this. So I like this. Touched VWAP, hit the 9. This is good. Come on, push to the downside. Pull, I should say. Don't push. Don't push. I want to see this collapse. Told you guys I'm more of a bear than a bull. I'd way rather see the market just tank.
Coach, you still like an MURA?
Yeah, that's the one we were chatting.
Yeah, that's the one where you guys bought it at 241 on the pullback, right?
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't get in it. I've been watching it.
All right. I told you exactly what I liked when to get it, right?
Yes, sir. We still at the 241. You still like it at 241?
Yeah, the buy-in was 241.7 is what's on my screen. Yep. I said I said if you're not in it, wait for the pullback, and this is where I would add in. And everybody that did that, you're all up now, right?
Yep, 259 is the next wall.
There you go. Still waiting on SPY. I don't give a crap. Listen, I've already made 17 grand. I don't give a shit what this thing does. Those of you that are in the room, we've already made our money. It's been an hour in the market. We've already made all our money. Right? You can choose to trade or not the rest of the day. I'm just looking for an A+ setup, and then I'm going to hammer it. I'm going to put a little exclamation point on the day. Give me 1 second. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
DWT exalted to upside.
Not often we get the dream team with Coach Paul Manana. Way to go, team.
What was held on the upside?
DWTX.
DWTX.
Delta Whiskey Tango X-ray.
It will resume at 10:35:55.
Do not adjust your stops during a halt.
All right, I'm back. What'd I miss? Did I miss it not pulling and I saved everybody's
Back
butt?
you up.
He was waiting for
Beautiful.
you, coach. He just sat there and
Yeah,
waited.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good
Spice
little
respecting
market.
the
Good
9.
little market. So think about it. We had all that news, tanked the market. It immediately spiked up. He used 200 as support, slowly trying to climb back out of here. Trade the trades, not your bias. Think about it. If you're like, oh, it's going to go down all day now, and here we are. Everybody be cool. Trade the trades. Every day, every time. That's why we have all these little rules in place, right?
Coach, can you guess why I just don't care? Like, I'm just really relaxed and hanging out.
Because you're in a straddle or a strangle.
Well, besides that.
Oh. Because you love being with us.
Yeah, that too. But my position size.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yep.
Good. Yeah, good
So,
point.
Just don't care.
That's
Whatever.
right. Long hair don't
cool.
care.
That's right. Long hair don't care.
Yep.
She's in Colorado.
Now look at this. Remember, this was the previous area of support. You see it? I even had it marked there. It's now resistance. What was once support becomes resistance. Can you see it? We had it marked.
Coach.
It was right here. I just dragged it over. So guess what? You don't go long until you break that key level, right? Good job. Now, if this breaks through the support, well, in this case, now resistance, I'll long it. Otherwise, leaving this all alone. I don't need to mess around. I don't care what it's doing. Right there's your pullback on resistance. Calls on support, and what do we do on resistance?
Puts on resistance.
Thank you. And didn't I just say what this now is? Right? So over here it was support, and over here became the resistance.
Been a while.
Songs.
Been a while, Coach, since we as a group sang that song together.
Yeah, you guys are a bunch of songbirds. And I like it. Look at that. Just waiting. Be patient. Yeah, I'm geeked up about that. We've gotten this before, but I didn't know it happened. Somebody emailed me to let me know. Who was that emailed me? Let me look. Corbin, thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you for
Coach,
sending.
since you told us about Soxhole, it's holding a 50% gain since you told us about it.
Thank you. Wow. There are some big names on there. Nice.
You know, a few days ago, you said pay attention to Soxhole from 7 to 11 now.
Yep, yep. Good job. Oh, nice, Mark. Oh, you're a maniac, and I love it. I'm down for that. Crushing it.
And he said he wasn't going to be trading.
It's beautiful. I'm asking him if I can tell you guys what he's made this morning.
I said that. He said he wasn't going to trade. Look at him.
Ah, he's got that it.
Just in his blood, Coach.
I know it. I asked him. We'll see. I like to get permission once it starts to get up to big numbers. Yay. All right. So far, Mark this morning is up $30,000, $30,078.50. Love it.
Good job, Mark.
Not bad for a bronze, man.
Yes.
It's a pretty good payout for not trading. Wow. I don't know how to do that.
And afford a new boomer cane.
There we go, everybody. I just posted the article in the stock lounge. Love it.
I wonder if he'll be weed eating this summer.
He will.
And congratulations to our newest members. So we got a premium member, AJR. We got Frank, which is also a premium member, and Natalie for futures monthly. All monthlies. Welcome to the team.
Thank you very much. Welcome, everybody.
Natalie, get your butt in the future Zoom, girl. Jump in, say hi.
Nice. I'm proud of that. That's a nice accolade. Did you guys see that over there? Moderators, that's beautiful. Check the stock lounge.
Yes, sir. I'm looking at it now.
That is awesome. That's the second time, but last time it was a smaller group. That's the second time, though, that we've made that top list, and both times we were number one. Again, I know it might not sound like much for you guys, but we're competing with, I think, just in the stock market realm, like 20,000 other communities. 20,000. We are top ranked with around 100,000 other companies that are inside of our marketplace. That's a huge deal, by the way. Thank you to all of you for being here. By the way, is TikTok still up?
MURA
Oh, it is.
shots.
Yes, Coach.
Yes, Coach.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, MURA. Who scooped that up at $2.41 as discussed earlier? Talk to me.
Once more, sir, say it again.
Who scooped up MURA at that 241? It just
twice, 3 times. Oh yeah.
it just hit 310. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice job.
Hey, Coach, a couple years ago, you were saying don't trade the first 30 minutes. Now you're saying don't trade the first 3 minutes. My journal is saying anywhere between 10 and 15 would be a good area, and then again about 45 minutes later. Well, what are your thoughts on some of that?
So only if you're an inexperienced trader, it's the first 30 minutes or last hour. If you are an expert trader, it's the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day. Those are the two highest volatile times of the entire day.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yep. Where's that coming from, Bruno? Is that coming off the YouTube feed or Zoom?
That's for the your green screen should have a setting that you can
Right.
change the key.
Yep, I
Like,
know.
well,
Is
change-
that off
yeah,
the
yeah.
Zoom though,
That's
or is
off of TikTok.
okay off TikTok?
I don't know if it's the same on YouTube. I can look real quick.
Yep. It's the TikTok's using the one from that. So let me check it.
While he's checking that, SPY is channeling between 539 and 541.
Yeah, YouTube's the same.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Checking the chroma key filter now. Yep, I see it. I see a little rough around the edges. I got it.
Ah, the market is going, coach. Look at that. Woo!
There you go. It's fixed, Bruno. Oh, crap.
Looks good.
Is that better?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Wow, the market just...
Big pop on SPY, yes.
Yeah, I saw that. I was fixing the stream, but holy cow, trying to catch the tail end of it here. Nice pop. Wow, some other news come right out behind it or what? Where did this blast come from?
Remember last week, Coach, when the news cycle came out and the market tanked, and then it was refuted, it was fake news,
Yeah,
and then the market bounced right back.
I do. That was
These
one way
knuckleheads
they
playing
could get
with our
in.
emotions.
Yep.
That's because Richard tweeted, "It's a good time to buy."
Single-handedly crashed the whole market. I got you. All right, this is sitting too long.
Richard came into the futures group last week and dropped some knowledge. That was awesome.
I love it. Right here, if this pops at all, I'll go big. I'm in small right here. Just because it was such a weird candle out of nowhere. Oh, that got bought up quick. You guys see that?
I needed to break 542.25.
Right. Come on, get up there. Came down on the 9 and bounced with a nice, beautiful buy candle. And then it sits right here. Just sits right here and consolidates. Oh,
that was your previous support line.
No. What just happened? What was that?
Holy crud.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I didn't have a stop in there. The one time I didn't have a stop in today, you got to be kidding me. That costed me $10,000 because I didn't have a stop. What do I tell you guys? Huh? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that was massive.
Coach, was that a liquidity sweep right there?
That was somebody being a clown.
They're listening to you, brother.
I did not have a stop. Oh, this looks good though.
It's coming
Coach, the
back.
2 minute on the TSLL is holding and going higher.
I did not have a stop, you guys. Oh my gosh. Whew. Coach.
It's a good example for you future members out there.
For everybody.
Everybody. Yeah. And don't forget to journal too, Coach, that you broke your own rules today.
I know, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'll just let it teeter for a second. No big deal, right? I've used the stop literally every trade today. Have you guys noticed that? Every trade today. My gosh.
I don't like how paper doesn't have that set up. It really kind of messes with me sometimes.
I just got the life beat out of me.
You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Oh, I'm going to trade out of it, but damn. That was just insane.
Hey, Coach, let me ask a quick question. So the CEO of Bank of America was on CNBC, and he was saying all the good stuff. Right after they stopped, that's when it dropped.
Yep, makes sense. Isn't that what I said?
Don't you think behind the scenes these people are doing something?
Yeah, I talked about that for a while, didn't I, everybody?
They probably make few billions over there.
Can't believe that, gang. No stop. That was a big lesson for everybody watching live. Why I say it. Oh, you don't need to
Damn, Coach, that is
stop. You
so
don't need
jacked
to
up. I feel bad for you,
stop.
man.
I mean, even with a stop loss, it's like it went so fast.
Yeah, that's one of them ones you can't help.
Yeah,
And
that
the
thing
one time you
was.
didn't have to stop.
Yeah, that was gnarly.
Shit, that might have broke your stop, dude.
Yeah, that was rough.
That
I
was
mean, I
brutal.
was in it. I was in a green. I had a stop loss, and the thing was 25 cents off. So I went
That
on the
took
red on that
every
one.
penny. Literally 17K now, just gone.
This is why Coach says don't go rogue. He
Yeah,
never
Dan.
wants to give this
I
example
thought it was
again.
just 10. It took the whole thing.
Well, it's because of the trade I'm in right now. Yep.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm in this. I was in this bleeder here. See if this will continue that to the downside. Because there's obviously a ton of sellers sitting right there, right?
What security is that? I can't read that, please, sir.
Somebody kill that. Yeah, that was so gnarly. Here we are riding on VWAP. There we go. See if we can get a flush. You guys see me get greedy on that? Who saw me greed with 8,000 on the line? Talk to me.
I saw it, Coach. This is crazy.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Looking for this to break. This is dipping into that margin. Yep. Little bit.
Coach slipping into a little bit of revenge mode.
Well, we've got a lot of downside sell-off right there. Yeah, this is...
Are you in a trade right now, Coach?
Yep.
What are you doing?
I was shorting this off this down here on VWAP, but it bounced.
It's still not moving with conviction, though. So maybe hang on a second.
Well, it had this massive sell here. Right? So we know there's tons of sellers sitting in this level. What? That was just the worst freaking hammer ever. Good thing I wasn't in there like monstrous. That would have been a freaking $100,000 candle.
That's what I see, Coach. It's trying to decide whether it wants to be in the channel above or the channel below. It's
Oh,
finding
yeah.
that
And I
line.
mean, we had terrible news. This should now be lights out, right?
Yeah. On the 2 minute, those are all buyer wicks, bringing it back up to VWAP.
Yep, correct. Bunch of buyer wicks. Has to eat those wicks up.
but it should be going down because that is bad news.
Yeah, it's terrible. This should just be Tank City.
So what was the news?
B of A discussing tariffs.
OGS has tested the 5460 for the 8th time to the upside.
Yeah, this is pushing too much. Have to be careful. This will force the sell if you have too much, that it starts using margin in the account. It will force sell it off the future side. Where if you're in options, you'll just lose the amount of your options. But if you're using futures, it'll go, oh, you're using too much of our margin. It'll go, sell it all. Still in it right here. This is everything. And this is still showing upside. This is crazy. Does everybody believe me now when I say to use a stop? Does anybody doubt me now when I say that?
No,
What's your
sir.
stop on this trade, Coach?
I hear you.
That's a good point. My stop is right here. Thank you for saying that because I'm over here. Use your stops. I don't have one. Thank you. Told you though.
Yeah, see, we need your butt wet.
You got to have them stops.
Coach, it's do as I say, not as I do, right?
Yeah, but use the stops. My gosh, and I did the whole day. I was like, oh, you're being really good about it. You're showing them the techniques and you're doing the things. The one time, literally the only trade of the day with no stop, boom. Disgusting.
And you were punished for it.
Yeah, oh yeah, badly. Terrible. All right, anyways, listen, I'm going to wrap up. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Nick, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. And again, congratulations to all of you here at American Dream Trading for making us the #1 top trading stock market community in the country. I appreciate all of you. Thank you, guys. Moderators, I'm out. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Coach.